bike. See if we can load it up. This was the idea, to keep the spare tire back from the car. That way there'd be some usable space on here. That way there's this little area, as long as the spare tire doesn't fall off, everything should stay. And this is the stock spare tire holder for like a 87 Jeep Cherokee. Got that at the junkyard. It's about $40. And then underneath this is a receiver hitch. It's pretty much the same one that this truck comes with. And I got that for, I think it was around $30. And then I got this 2x2 square tubing. Made the rest out of wood. It was kind of a home, build it at home. Now that I don't have a torch, a welder, let's see if I could home build this with just my basic tools. Alrighty, thanks for watching. So, that's how I've been running the strap. Through the wheel, around the pipe, through the forest. And then I've been putting this, I saw this club utility lock, kind of liked it. So I've been mounting it here, the club lock. You know, it's not the best, but it's just, if you go into a store, I mean, I'll also have another lock here. I can pull through, wrap around the bike. It's just a little peace of mind for a quick stop in and out of the store. But this is the outside. I'm still gonna have to put some kind of sheet metal down here. Maybe cover the whole thing with a canvas, I'm not sure. Just whatever makes it look better. Alrighty, thanks for watching.